Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Smith's Boutique. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a store or shop that sells a lot of watches. So as you can see, this is what they look like, and as you can see, they are pretty expensive right here, as you can see. And however, a red flag of this website is that they didn't even try making this website look good, since as you can see from here, there's a blank space right here, and they just basically put all their watches in the middle. So as you can see, they also have this flash discount. I don't know if this is real or not, and their website seems to be pretty laggy and loads slowly. I mean, it's not very optimized, and as you can see, and I would advise you to do some more research about this website if you really want to buy watch from them, since they look very shady and they haven't made their website very well. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.